Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Today's lesson is about have to or has to. We use have to and has to when talking about obligations or things that are necessary to do. Here are the subjects. Here are the singulars. Singular I, you, she, he, it. I have to, you have to, she has to, he has to, it has to. Plural form, we have to, they have to. Number 1. I have to take out the trash. 2. You have to wake up at 5 a.m. 3. He has to wash the dishes. 4. She has to move out her apartment by July. 5. We have to do our homework every afternoon. 6. They have to dust. Negative form. We use don't have to and doesn't have to say that something is not necessary or is an obligation. I don't have to. You don't have to. He doesn't have to. She doesn't have to. It doesn't have to. We don't have to. They don't have to. Example. I don't have to tidy up my room at the weekend. He doesn't have to dry the dishes. Question form of have to and has to. We use do I have to ask if something is necessary or an obligation. Do I have to? Do you have to? Does he have to? Does she have to? Does it have to? Do we have to? Do they have to? Here are some examples. Do I have to use vegetables every day? Do you have to wash the car? Does your mother have to cook? Does your dad have to work late tonight? It means that is it necessary to do something? Now it's practice time. Complete the sentences with the correct form of have to in the present tense. Number 1. I blank study for my exam tomorrow. Affirmative, we should say I have to. I have to study for my exam tomorrow. Number 2. Ryan has to. Number 3. You blank come tomorrow if you don't feel like it. It should be negative form. You don't have to. Negative form, you don't have to. Come tomorrow if you don't feel like it. Number 4 is question form. We. Do we have to arrive early? Number 5. Mom, drive me there tomorrow. Negative form, Mom doesn't have to drive me tomorrow. Does Emma have to come to church on Sunday? This was end of the lesson. Please subscribe the channel to see more videos.